Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button what called Disconnect, so you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list. And when you select to unpair your earbuds and click forget this device, you will totally remove your earbuds from the device list. From your phone. So let me click on it, and as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but still have it at the device list, so I can easily reconnect them by just tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.